Hello dear fans. How to make an inductor. An inductor is a coiled conductor that stores magnetic energy in the form of a magnetic field. Without this element, it is impossible to build either a radio transmitter or a radio receiver for wire communication equipment. And the TV, to which many of us are so accustomed, is unthinkable without an inductor. Necessary. Wires of various sections, paper, glue, plastic cylinder, knife, scissors. Instructions. Step 1. The base of an inductor is a conductor. A magnetic field is always present around a conductor with a current passing through it. The strength of this field depends on the strength of the current in the conductor. Another way to amplify the magnetic field is to coil the conductor. This is nothing more than an inductor. The smaller the diameter of the coil, the more turns in it, the stronger the magnetic field created by the coil. Radio amateurs usually wind these coils on their own. Step 2. Inductance refers to the ability of a coil to create a magnetic field. Inductance in Henry, H, is measured. Step 3. Inductors are not produced as standard parts with standard characteristics, but are calculated and manufactured for each specific device separately. Therefore, when making a coil, you will first need to take into account the characteristics of the input and output signals of your radio installation. Step 4. For ultrashortwave and shortwave oscillatory circuits, coils are made with a small number of turns and a thick wire. Some of these coils have no bobbin. Step 5. To receive and transmit radio signals at medium and long waves, multi-turn coils, single-layer and multi-layer, are used. To make a frame for such spools, you need paper or plastic. Step 6. The number of turns of the coil when tuning radio receivers and other equipment will have to be selected experimentally, while changing the inductance of the coil. You can do this by unwinding and winding the turns of the coil, but this method is not entirely convenient in practice. Most often, a retractable core made of special magnetic materials is placed inside the coil. It can be alcifer, an alloy of aluminum, iron, and silicon. Step 7. Magnetic cores concentrate the magnetic field of the coil, thereby increasing its inductance. At the same time, you can reduce the number of turns of the coil, which entails a reduction in its size and dimensions of the radio device. Thanks for watching.